Hi friends, welcome to Unit 1, Lesson 1, Structure of Water and Hydrogen Bonding. We're going to start by talking about the chemical structure of water. It's composed of two elements, two hydrogens, one oxygen, and it's covalently bonded together. Okay. Now we're going to talk about the chemical structure and polarity. So we know that oxygen is more electronegative than hydrogen, which means oxygen pulls the electrons closer to it. This causes water to be polar, which means that it has unequal charges. Since the covalent bonds in our water molecule are causing it to be polar, they're called polar covalent bonds. Now we're going to talk about hydrogen bonds and how they cause cohesion and adhesion. Hydrogen bonds are when two water molecules connect with the negative oxygen and the positive hydrogen forming interactions. This causes cohesion when two water molecules stick together, and adhesion when a water molecule sticks to a different substance. Now we're going to talk about how the chemicals of water come from cohesion and adhesion. First we talk about surface tension, which causes water to stick together on the surface of something and at its surface, like water droplets on a penny. We also talk about high specific heat, which results from cohesion of water molecules and keeps water from changing temperatures. Then we talk about capillary action, which is both cohesion and adhesion and makes water go up something, like a straw. Then we talk about how ice is less dense than water because of cohesion. And then finally we talk about how water is the universal solvent because of adhesion. Now we talk about how the emergent properties of water help living organisms. Capillary action helps water get up to the leaves of plants from the roots. Surface tension helps leaves sit on top of water to get sunlight for photosynthesis. Since ice floats on top of water when it freezes, living organisms are able to live under frozen water, like in lakes in the north. High specific heat makes water resistant to temperature change, which makes it good for the organisms that live in it. And lastly, water is a universal solvent, which means nutrients can be dissolved in it, and when organisms drink up that nutrient, it puts it into their bodies and helps with health. Bye!